Hello, everyone. Uh, in this video, we're just going to take a quick look at the SchoolCity Launchpad. So when you are accessing SchoolCity via your class link application, it's automatically going to open to the SchoolCity Launchpad. We have two menu options available. This is where you'll access all of SchoolCity's features. You can do that via this waffle icon here at the top. That is my preferred method, but some people do like the flip cards also that are available below. So from the waffle, I can access assessments either to activate an assessment for students or to create an assessment, anything related to assessments would be accessed there. I can build my own items. I can look at reports for tests that my students have already taken, and so on. These cards, while they look like, as I'm hovering over them, that they do not do anything, if they are clicked, they do flip over, and you have the same menu available here on the assessment card that you would have had if you had gone to assessment via the waffle. It just looks a little bit different. If you're new to SchoolCity and you find that you don't have very many cards, you will need to come to the right-hand side and click the gear icon, and then make sure you check all of the boxes that you can possibly check on the left-hand side. You may also want to check the survey, and then you'll say save, and that will place these additional cards here onto your Launchpad. You notice that my cards all have different colors. If you'd like to give your cards a different color and customize the look of your page, you can simply click once to flip the card over, and you'll notice that little gear icon or settings icon is in the corner of each card. Simply click there, choose the color you'd like for the card, and then you'll say save. Once you've done that, if you would like for your cards to be in a different order, they are hold, drag, and drop, and then you can move them anywhere you would like. Let's move now up to the top of our page. You'll notice that we have the notification icon right here. It looks like a bell. I have 29 notifications right now, so you will get that number to notify you when someone has shared something with you or when there's something you need to look at. The primary purpose or use that you're going to have for this, and we will talk later in the course about how you can share assessments you've created with other people, but you can see here that some people have shared assessments with me. This is where you would go to find them if someone told you that they had shared an assessment with you. Once you see the name of the assessment, someone here has shared Math Milestones Review, I simply click the plus sign, and that expands the menu. I can look at the test to see if it's something that I would really like or not. And you see here that I have the button that says I can add to district assessments. Yours will not say that. Yours will say add to my assessments because you are not able to add to the district. You can also click decline, and then that would remove it from your feed if you thought someone had mistakenly shared with you. Right next to the notifications icon, we have SchoolCity Help. SchoolCity Help is very robust, very well organized. I think you'll be able to find pretty much any information that you would need in SchoolCity Help if you're not able to find it anywhere else. For example, if I want to learn how to look at reports after my students have taken a test, I would simply come to the left-hand side, look at my categories. I can click reports. And then all the different types of reports are listed. There's a PDF document to go along with each one. Also, at the bottom, if you would ever like to see any of SchoolCity's webinars, those are always archived and saved, and you can go back and watch them at any time. To the right of the help window, we have the Contact Us button. And once I click there, I can say I want to contact support. Any user can submit a SchoolCity ticket to SchoolCity support. So if you're having some type of technical issue or something is not functioning the way it should, you simply put in your best description of the issue. You can even attach screenshots of what is happening to you and then submit. And then someone from SchoolCity will be in touch with you shortly to work on your problem. You can also obviously always reach out to your support staff in the instructional technology department. Right next to the help menu, we have what we affectionately are calling the hamburger menu. You're going to see this in more applications than just School City. We click there and you can see that there's several different options available. The one you're going to use most frequently and the one that I'm going to highlight for you here in this video is groups. Once students have taken a test, or even before they've taken a test, you have the ability to create student groups so that you can track student progress for these groups over time amongst different assessments. You can see some interesting group names that I've made here for practice. But once I hit create a group, it does ask me some information about my school. It will not do that for you because you are only attached to your one school. So you will not have to worry about your school. You will not have to worry about your grade or anything like that. I've selected that and now I will say show students. I can come in, I can say, okay, these students did not do so well on their math interim, so I'm going to create a group. And then the next time we take a test, I'm going to filter by this group so that I can see if they have improved or not. I'll give my group a name, and then I would simply save my group. It tells me that it has been created successfully. And then when I go back to my list of groups, you'll see the group there, the student group. I should now be able to filter by that group when I'm looking at any data attached to administration of any given test. The final thing I want to show you is that there is a search field here on the Launchpad, and you can use this search field to search for any student that is attached to you. This is a great way to quickly search for a student and obtain reports to take to IEPs, ISTs, and those types of meetings. So I'm going to type in my own name here. It's going to pull up my son. So then you'll notice that his name appears down here. I can now click on his name, first or last, it does not matter. And then it's going to pull up what is known as the student history report for all assessments that he has taken in School City. So first of all, we see his 18-19 assessments here. And then I could click and expand and look at the details for any given one of them. And then as we move down, you can see that the other years are collapsed down here at the bottom. I could print a report from any of these, and at any time, if I did not want a particular assessment or a particular year to be included in that report, I could simply say hide in the exports, so that only the things that are not hidden are the ones that are going to appear in the report. And then I can simply download that report here with the down arrow, which is the download button. I hope this has been helpful. Feel free to watch the video again, pause it at any time so that you can complete the tasks that are listed in the course. Thank you.